Chasing shadows, trying to feel the light. Then you appear like sunrise through the rain.
I created this realistic AI music video in under 10 minutes, without spending thousands on production. AI music videos are exploding right now. Channels like Novi Vibes are the perfect example. They've grown to over 50,000 subscribers, and their AI-generated music videos are pulling millions of views, all from simple ideas, smart editing, and the right AI tools. No complicated filming, no actors, no lighting setups, just pure creativity mixed with AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating stunning, viral-ready AI music videos using a powerful tool called LemonSlice. This platform lets you generate characters that look expressive, natural, and fully lip-synced to your song, so your video feels like a real production, even though it's all AI. So if you've been wanting to start an AI music channel, this tutorial is going to show you every step from start to finish. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. All right, let's dive in and start creating your first viral AI music video. Head over to LemonSlice using the link in the video description and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the LemonSlice studio where you'll see 3 main sections. 1. Image/video. 2. Audio. 3. Generate. We're going to start with the audio section because the song is the foundation of your entire AI music video. Click on Select Audio. If you want LemonSlice to create a brand new song for you, tap on Music, type in the idea or style you're looking for, and then hit Generate. Within seconds, the AI will create a fully original track you can preview instantly.
Are your eyes across the subway line? City tape.
But for this tutorial, I'm going to generate a song using Suno. So go to Suno, click on Music, and you'll see the song creation interface. Now we need lyrics. So I'm going to open ChatGPT and ask it to generate lyrics for a live song. Hit Enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you fully written lyrics ready to use. Next, we need the music style, so I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a music style that matches the lyrics, specifically with a female vocalist. Hit Enter again, and you'll have a clean, clear music style ready to paste into Suno. Now copy the lyrics, head back to Suno, and paste them into the lyrics box. You can delete any phrases you don't want, like unnecessary headers or repeated lines. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the music style, and paste it into Suno as well. Give your song a title. Click Create, and the AI will start generating your track. After a few moments, Suno will produce 2 versions of your song for you to review. Listen to both.
I used to walk alone through empty nights.
Choose the one you like best and download it directly to your device. Now that we've created our song, let's head back into LemonSlice, click on Media, then upload the track you just downloaded from Suno and select it. Next, we need a character image for the music video. Click Select Image or Video. You can upload a picture you already have, or you can generate a brand new one directly inside LemonSlice. To generate a character, we first need image prompt. So jump back into ChatGPT and paste this request. Give me an image prompt for a photorealistic female virtual singer, front-facing, looking into the camera. Describe the facial features, hairstyle, hair color, and all details in under 300 characters. Hit Enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT gives you a polished, ready-to-use image prompt. Copy it, return to LemonSlice, and paste it into the prompt box. Now set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for a standard YouTube video. Choose your preferred image generation model, and then click Generate. LemonSlice will start creating your photorealistic singer. Once the image finishes generating, select it. Now we need to trim the audio and choose the exact part of the song we want our character to lip-sync to. Adjust the section until you're happy with the timing. After that, move to Generate. Here you'll choose which animation model to use, 2.5 or 2.7. The 2.7 model is the latest version and offers the most realistic facial animation and lip-syncing, making it perfect for AI music videos. Select the model you want and click Generate. LemonSlice will begin creating your animated video with full lip-sync and expressive facial movement. And just like that, your AI music video is ready. Preview it.
Chasing shadows, trying to feel the light.
Check the lip sync. Make sure the expressions look natural. And if everything looks good, go ahead and download it directly to your device. The next step is to place our singer into multiple scenes while keeping her face perfectly consistent. To do this, head over to Kling AI. Click the plus icon and select AI image to open the creation interface. Now click on the image reference section. This is extremely important because it ensures that your character's face stays consistent across every single scene you generate. Upload the same singer image we generated earlier in LemonSlice. Kling AI will automatically detect the character's face. Then increase the reference strength to the maximum so the model will strongly match her facial features in every output. Next, we need a scene prompt. Open ChatGPT, ask it to give you several scene prompts for your AI music video, then click enter, and in seconds you'll get a list of creative scenes you can use. Copy the first scene prompt, go back to Kling AI and paste it into the prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a YouTube-friendly layout, then click Generate. And in seconds, Kling AI will create multiple images based on our prompt. Once the results load, review the images and select the one that best fits your music video's storyline and vibe. Now it's time to animate the scene. Click Generate again and switch to the video animation interface. We need an animation prompt, so go back to ChatGPT. Copy the exact same prompt you used to generate the image and paste it into Kling AI. Choose your video duration, then click Generate. In a few moments, your AI-generated scene clip will be ready. Preview it, check the movement. And if you're satisfied, download it to your device. Now repeat this entire process to create all the scenes for your AI music video. Different locations, different moods, all with the same consistent singer. Now that we have all our scene clips ready, it's time to lip sync each video clip to our song to make the music video feel alive and professional. Head back to LemonSlice, click on Image or Video, and upload the first video clip you want to lip sync. Once it's uploaded, select it. Next, make sure the AI-generated music we created earlier is selected. Then crop the section of the song that you want this specific clip to lip sync with. This allows each clip to match perfectly with the lyrics and rhythm. Once everything is set, click Generate, and LemonSlice will start processing the lip sync for your video. In just a few moments, your clip will be fully animated with precise lip movements and realistic facial expressions. Preview the video.
Chasing shadows, trying to feel the light. Then you appear like sunrise.
As you can see, everything looks smooth, natural, and well lip sync. If you're happy with the result, download it directly to your device. Now repeat this exact process for every scene clip and each section of your music. By the end, you'll have a complete set of perfectly lip-synced AI music video clips, ready to be compiled into a full music video. The final step is to bring all your AI-generated clips together into a complete music video. Open CapCut and import all the lip-synced video clips we created. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a standard YouTube layout. Next, stretch and adjust each clip to fit the frame perfectly. Then start arranging them in order, carefully syncing them to match the music. Take your time here. Accurate timing is key for a professional-looking music video. Once everything is arranged, let's make the video more polished by adding transitions. Click on Overlay Transition, browse the available options, select your favorite, and then click Apply to All to keep the flow consistent throughout your video. Next, let's add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Choose a caption style you like. Click Generate, and in seconds, your captions will appear. Adjust their position so they fit perfectly with your visuals. After finishing all edits, watch the full video from start to finish to ensure everything looks smooth and synced. When you're satisfied, click Export. Increase the resolution to 4K and download your completed AI music video. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Chasing shadows, trying to feel the light. Then you appear like sunrise through the rain. And every lonely moment started fading into flame. I never knew that love could sound this true. But every heartbeat leads me back to you.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section.